Seeing a warning light related to your hybrid battery can be a heart-stopping moment because we all know how expensive those battery packs are. But do not panic just yet. If you are dealing with code P0A7E, which translates to hybrid battery pack over temperature, it means your car's computer has realized the high-voltage battery is getting hotter than it safely should. This applies to most hybrids like the Prius, Civic Hybrid, or Fusion Hybrid. Your battery pack is made up of many individual cells wired together, and just like your phone gets hot when you use it heavily, these batteries generate heat. The system uses fans and sensors to keep this in check. If the temperature spikes, the computer might disable the electric drive system to protect the battery, leaving you with just the gas engine and reduced performance. Now, diagnosing this requires extreme caution because we are talking about high voltage that can be dangerous. If you are not comfortable with electricity, leave this to a pro. But if you are ready to look, start with the basic. Is the cooling fan for the battery working? Extremely often, pet hair or dust clogs the intake vent for the battery fan, usually found in the back seat area. If the fan cannot breathe, the battery cooks. If the airflow is clear, you need to look at the sensors. The system monitors the temperature of individual cells. Using a scan tool, you can look at the data. If one temperature sensor is reading 50 degrees hotter than the others, you likely have a bad sensor or a corroded connection at that specific spot, not necessarily a whole dead battery. Corrosion on the copper bus bars that connect the cells is a huge culprit. If your car has over 100,000 miles, the battery itself might be degrading, as old batteries get hotter faster. However, if the mileage is lower, I would bet on a loose connection, corrosion, or a blocked cooling fan before assuming the entire pack needs replacement. Always check the simple stuff first.